Hey there, in this video I'm going to give you a quick and easy tutorial on how you can buy and sell NFTs on Solana using Magic Eden, which is one of the larger NFT marketplaces that's compatible with the Solana blockchain. Now before you start this, you're going to need to have a Solana Web3 wallet. So I am using Phantom. And once you have a wallet, you're going to want to connect it to the application. So let's go ahead and do that here. And now we are signing into the application by confirming a signature in our wallet. So let's go ahead and do that. And we are in. So in the top right-hand corner, it shows your profile, and this is where you can go look at your NFTs. And also there's rewards that you can get for making transactions on Magic Eden, but we'll get to that in a second. Now, if you have no idea what NFTs you're interested in, you can browse the homepage. It shows the popular collections, and you can sort this over certain time frames. So if I wanted to see the most popular collections over the last month, I could sort by the last 30 days. And for each collection, you can see what the floor price is and whether it's up or down and the amount of volume. So the number one collection, Mad Lads, the floor price for this is 57.14 sols. So it's really quite expensive and is moving a lot of volume, almost 100K sol, and it's up 1.68% over the last 30 days. There's also featured collections. So for example, Undead King, and if I wanted to open up this collection, we can see that to purchase one of these costs 0.05 sols, so about $2. So let's say, for example, I'm interested in this NFT, I like the artwork and I want to purchase it. In this case, I'm actually minting a new NFT. I'm not purchasing it from someone else, but I just agree to the terms and conditions and then hit on this button that says collect one NFT. Then in my Phantom wallet, it's going to pop up and ask me to confirm this transaction, and I'm paying 0.05 sol to purchase it, and then also a small amount in gas fees. So let's confirm the transaction, and that has been successful. So I've minted this NFT, and if I hit view item, it's going to bring me to my profile page and show me the NFT. And if I wanted to list this for sale, then I could do that right here. I could choose how much I want to sell it for. So let's say I wanted to sell it for 0.5 sol, even though that's 10x what I just paid for it. I would choose the price that I want to sell it for. I would hit list now, and it's going to pop up asking me to confirm this transaction in my wallet, which I will do. And there you go, my item was listed. And so this is what it looks like. Now, if I open up the Phantom wallet, I can actually also hit on the NFTs tab, and it will show right here that I own this NFT, although the artwork is taking a second to load. Yeah, there we go. So I can actually see this NFT in my Phantom wallet as well, which is a nice feature. Now let's say I wanted to actually purchase an NFT from someone else. Well, I could go back to the popular collections section, and then I could search by floor price, maybe low to high, and then scroll through this until I find something cheap. So here we have this NFT called a bicycle wheel by Drips from the Crocovers. I have literally no idea what this is, but it doesn't matter because this is just for the purposes of the tutorial. So once you find an NFT that you actually want to purchase, all you do is hit on the buy now button, and then over here it's going to pop up again asking you to confirm the transaction, which I will do, and this is just going to cost me a couple of cents because it's super cheap. So let's go ahead and confirm that, and the item was purchased, which is great. Now there's another way that you can buy NFTs. So for example, if you wanted to just buy the cheapest NFT in a collection, you can see that there's this button down here at the bottom right corner that says buy floor, and if you hit that, then it's just going to buy the cheapest NFT in that collection. So that's a nice feature for sure. You can also buy multiple items in a collection by sweeping the floor. And so let's say I wanted to buy 10 items. I would slide this over until I hit the number of items that I wanted to purchase. And then over here, I would hit buy 10 items for 0.017. I'm going to reject that though, because I do not need 10 bicycle wheels. And the final way that you can buy Solana NFTs is by participating in an auction, and you can access them by hitting on the auctions tab over here, and that's where you can place bids on artwork or PFPs that you like, and you'll be able to purchase them here. Although in this case, you will not be guaranteed of winning the NFT unless you have the highest bid. So those are the basics of how you can use Magic Eden to buy and sell Solana NFTs. Now here you can actually also earn rewards by coming in every day and collecting these little gems, but also by doing other things. So for example, selling listings, purchasing listings, and setting up your profile. So let's go ahead and set up my profile. Now, what is the point of having these gems or diamonds? Well, the more that you collect, you can actually level up and get discounts on trading fees. So that is the main benefit. So hopefully you found this little tutorial helpful, and good luck on your Solana NFT journey with Magic Eden.